Hey there, if you're watching this, then I know you're interested in digital or social media marketing, okay, and bear with me for just a second, all right? I promise this is gonna help you out. Now, if you've seen any of my previous videos, my name is Rhys. I run a digital and social media marketing agency based in London. I'm actually currently out here in the United States for 2 weeks, holiday going up the coast of California. And I'm able to do that because I can work online, okay? Now, what I do effectively is connect brands with consumers, okay? That's it in its simplest form. And, you know, that's what I'm gonna show you right now. You know, a social media marketing 101 kind of walkthrough. But before we get into that, okay, I'm actually just going to show you around, show you what's been going on with this trip so far. Okay, as I say, check out my other videos of some of the times and, you know, experiences and things that we've seen on this trip. But we just arrived to Yosemite in that car, as you can see. So that was about a 4-hour drive. We have the laptop here, and we have some, you know, American sweets and all the good stuff. But yeah, back to the main topic, okay? You're looking to start a social media marketing agency. The simplest way to do that, like a 101, really is to get yourself a laptop, first of all, and then sign yourself up to here we go, to upwork.com. okay, on here there are hundreds and hundreds of applications for jobs to be fulfilled, okay? Now, these are companies that are going to range anywhere from, you know, maybe $500 to $5,000 fixed retainers, okay, for projects to be completed. Now, what you're able to do is, once you have the skills and the knowledge on how to do so, you're able to go to that business owner or the person that is looking to pay you to complete the work, reach out to them, and yeah, get paid for your services, okay? So this is, you know, this is social media marketing 101. That's how I started. That's most likely how you are starting, okay? And there's nothing wrong with that at all. It's the beginning stages. You're going to learn a lot. And yeah, hopefully, you know, I know this wasn't over, you know, too exciting, but I just wanted to cut right to the chase, okay? This is a social media marketing 101. Learn the skills on that, and then you can develop and work with other companies and brands. But yeah, as for this video, have a couple days here in Yosemite, which is gorgeous. Can't wait to see more of that. Had a fantastic time in San Francisco once again, just enjoying meeting up with friends. LA and San Diego, amazing as well. So yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And yeah, I look forward to speaking to you all next time, okay? Peace out.
Yeah.